Okay, here I have a hot staple gun. Ordered this off of AliExpress. I think I paid €27 for it. Took a week to deliver. Comes in a nice box. UK adapter. Snips. Four different type of staples. They're the straight wavy ones. Corner ones. Outside. Yeah, she's here, yeah. And here are the wave. Proper waves. They're the best ones you can get, I think. This normally takes around 5 seconds to redden the just gonna plug this in for a second. I'll put you on a stand. Just do a quick demonstration of this is didn't get what I was missing. My son loves breaking his toys, so I'm just going to use a couple of staples here just to demonstrate how it works basically. Get your gun, get your staple. This is a straight wave. Fit it into the holes. Push it in. You can buy these staples pre-cut, so when you, like they show you in the videos, when you put it into the plastic, they just bend it with their finger and breaks. They are pre-cut. A lot of these that comes with the kit, they're not. You actually have to snip them. So this is just an example now. I'm just going to put one across here just for a second. Now let me just show you this. I'll press the trigger now. Hold on, turn on. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 4 seconds and it reddened. I'm just gonna put this in here like this. Hold on, wait. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's red. I'm going in. I'm gonna twist it. Let go of the trigger, and I'm gonna let it cool down. Once it's cooled down for a second, I'm gonna pull the gun out, and the staple is still in there. I can touch this. It's cool to the touch. Gonna put in another one. Do the other side. So again, 1, 2, 3, 4. It's red. In, twist it. Let go of the trigger. Pull out the gun. I don't know if you can see it. It's in there good. As I said, if you buy the good staples, you see them breaking them with their fingers. As you see, they don't snap. Try and snip these. Shit. No. No, you do need to sand these down a bit. You're not going to be using these for toys and stuff. You'll be using these on bodywork for cars, motorbikes. They're very, very good. They're very strong. This is not coming off. Better than any glue. As you can see, the tip is sticking out of that slightly. Sand that down and it's a permanent fixture, you know. I think it's a very good idea and well worth the €30 or whatever off of AliExpress. Amazon, I think they're charging 50, 60 quid for them. But yeah, definitely good. I'll try and do another video. I've got some motorbike fairings that need repairing and I'm going to do one on it. But yeah, this is very, very good. There's a fair bit of weight to it. So it's well built, nice and strong. Cable is good in it. And it doesn't get hot in your hand. It's very good. It comes with 50 of each type of blade. So that's the first one. It comes in the kit. These ones, very good. Come out, you fucking... These are for outside corners, so you'd be placing these like that and melting in. And these ones here are for doing inside corners. So you put it in like this and you'd be doing the inside corner like that. Okay, so all in all, it is a very, very, very nice piece of kit. Everything fits back nicely inside, you know. Yeah, definitely worth the money. Okay, hope this helps someone. All right.